ground, sound, breath. Take a moment. Feel the ground beneath you, under your feet or your bottom, maybe supporting your back. You can do this in the car when you're busy, thinking of all the things you have to do, and your mind is planning or worrying. Maybe you're going to be late. You can do this any time in the day. Once you're connected to the ground, then just pause and listen to the sounds. If you're lucky, it's birds singing or children playing, but it might just be the traffic. It might be the rain, the wind, people talking. Just open yourself to the sounds, and with your connection to the ground and sound, just feel your breathing. A few breaths to bring you back into the moment.